with opened arms and legs perpendicular to the body. Lift your torso by contracting your abdomen and at the same time try to touch your ankles with your fingertips. Return slowly to the starting position by relaxing the abdominal muscles. This exercise is very effective for strengthening the entire abdominal fascia, with particular focus on the upper area of the rectus abdominis. The muscle that this type of exercise performs will also increase the strength and mobility in performing aerobics activities such as swimming, running, and walking. The crunch with vertical legs and touch of the ankles also helps a lot in correcting the posture and balance of the body.
1, 2,